Deputy Commissioner Jalam Kamran Khan's visit to Land Record Center Pindad Dang Khan. Officers checked the attendance of the staff, made a detailed inspection of all the counters. He urged to maintain the standard of cleanliness in the center and said that the applicants approaching the center should be provided speedy departmental services so that their confidence in the center would be strengthened. He inquired about the attitude of the staff officers from the police stationed at the center. After listening to the problems of Ceylon, issued instructions for immediate solution. Deputy Commissioner Jalam Kamran Khan along with additional Deputy Commissioner Revenue Saifullah Sajid visited Shilpindadan Khan. A detailed review of security arrangements made in connection with Muharram and other necessary arrangements including cleaning on the routes of morning processions. Assistant Commissioner Pindad Dang Khan and DSP Rana Latif gave a detailed briefing regarding the administrative and security arrangements. On the instructions of Deputy Commissioner Jalam Kamran Khan, Civil Defense Officer Muhammad Bida sealed 2 gas stations while taking action against illegal filling stations in Chaldina. A notice has been issued by the Civil Defense Office that all hotels, restaurants, petrol pumps, CNG stations, high-rise buildings, gas agencies, general stores, bakeries, cloth shops, electronics shops, factories, paint shops, flour mills, schools, colleges, hospitals and all commercial entrepreneurs should complete safety and security measures according to the Civil Defense Schedule regarding safety and security at their respective businesses.